going to teach you guys today is how to spend more time doing what you want and less time doing homework. Now, who wants to do that? Okay, I'm not saying not to do homework. I'm saying what I'm going to teach you today involves how to go through your homework in a very fast way, while at the same time learning as much as you can and effectively going through the homework, meaning you get the right answers and you come to class prepared. So first, I'm going to teach you something. I guess this is an erase, right? The complicated way of expressing this idea is called the 80-20 principle. Sorry, that's not a circle, there's a circle. Does anybody know what the 80-20 principle is, or is this a bunch of...
I know what 24/7 means.
Yes, this is a number. Okay, I'm gonna call this something that you guys would really like. I'm gonna call this the lazy principle. The 80-20 principle came up by an economist from Italy. He basically said that 20% of the work that you do accounts for 80% of the results that you experience. Now, is that confusing? Does anyone have any questions on that? You want me to elaborate? So what does that mean? What does that mean?
Can you say it again?
No, it doesn't mean that you're not doing that much work. It means that a small portion of the work that you do ends up accounting for most of the results that you want. 80%. Exactly. Some people think it's more skewed than this. Some people think it's 5% of what you do accounts for 95% of the results you want in life. So I'm going to call this the lazy principle. And why I'm calling it lazy is because we all want to do as little amount of work as possible, right? We have lives to live, and we want to do what we want to do. Which is playing video games, listening to music, playing sports, soccer, techno, making music, reading, playing with Legos, etc. So the idea is, I'm going to put in this amount of time for homework.
Okay.
Let's say we call this the 20%. And I want to learn 80% of the subject during that time. I want to put in this amount of work and get this amount of results.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you guys do your homework? Does anyone want to share? So you come home from class, you have a bunch of homework to do.
Yep.
How do you guys do your homework? All of them.
When I come home, so I do it.
Okay.
How?
Exactly. How?
How?
Talk about it. Do you have like a particular room? What are you doing while you're doing homework?
Do you eat? I eat snacks.
I eat rice. Okay, that's good. You gotta eat. You gotta energize yourself.
I eat popcorn.
You drink. What do you do?
I do homework right away after I put. Okay.
That's pretty cool. What do you do, Brad?
You don't eat anything before? Yeah,
You watch TV while you do homework.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. Who knows how to spell history?
I know.
You know how to spell history? Come on.
Everyone knows. Oh, even I do. HISCOR.
I want you to write history, but I want you to write it instead of like this. I want you to write it from top to bottom.
Oh, that's easy. Spanish.
Oh, by the way, I want all of you guys to take out a piece of paper. Do you guys have notebooks or something? Okay, yeah, good. Pass the paper. Perfecto, thank you. Oh, yeah, we'll put it on.
What?
Ashley,
It start over.
is it okay if I erase it and I put it over here?
Yeah.
It start over.
That's fine. Okay, so history. Everyone write history. This is the easiest way of explaining it. We got history. History. Whenever you want to do work and do it in the fastest, most effective way possible, I want you to remember history. Okay? So what does the H stand for? The H stands for high. High. You know what high means? High? In this case, it means
High school.
high school. In this case, it means a lot of. Okay?
How about I? Intelligence.
I stands for intensity.
Tension.
Do you guys know what intensity means? What is intensity?
Like you're really intense about something.
Really intense about something. What does that mean?
Happy. Affectionate.
Focused on something. Exactly. Wow. That's really good, Nicholas. That's exactly what it means. It means you're focused about something. It means your entire purpose is on accomplishing that task, and there are no distractions. High intensity. The S in this case stands for single.
I'm a single guy.
I'm single.
I'm single too. Okay, in this case, single. What does single means?
Only
One. In this case, it means no girlfriend or no boyfriend, but in this case, it means one.
I'm single.
Yes.
That me too.
Alone, but it does mean alone, but in this case, it means just one. One. It means one. T stands for tasking. What does tasking mean? Is that a big word?
No.
Is that a meiosis kind of word?
It's something you gotta do.
Something you gotta do. So tasking means you're doing what you gotta do, right?
Wait, is that a K?
No, it's a T, sorry.
Oh.
So I gotta do limbo over here for us to see. I got another big word for you guys coming. You guys ready? You guys ready for a big word? Outrageously.
Oh, outrageous. I am outrageous about something. Bad.
Outrageously. Outrageously means beyond normal. To a beyond normal extent, yes.
Is it tasking or task?
Tasking. So this is a K. Oh, you were asking about what is this? This is a K, yes.
Oh, okay.
Like K, so like A. Outrageously, meaning beyond normal. You don't want to be normal. You want to be above normal.
Yes. Perfect.
Rewards. Does everyone know what rewards are? It's like a game. It's like something you get, like almost like a present, like a prize. Exactly.
Like a student award at 1:30 we're having.
And you. What is a U? Everyone knows what U is.
Yourself.
Okay. So Brandon says, is it okay if I pick on you? Okay, Brandon says that he watches TV when he does his homework. I don't want to say that's bad. I just want to say that you're not following the lazy principle. In fact, I would argue that because you watch TV while you do your homework, you spend more time doing homework instead of doing more time with other things that you want to be doing. Does that make sense? You get the whole point out, right? You guys want to do your homework fast and get on with your lives. We are human beings and we deserve to do other things that we want to do. If you remember your history, high intensity, single tasking outrageously rewards you. If you completely focus on one thing and cut out all distractions, no computer, no TV, don't have your parents talk to you. If you want to listen to music, Joe, I recommend listening to jazz or to classical music, something that will keep you calm and focused. You don't want to be, for instance, thinking about, being at a concert or being at or dancing while you're doing your homework. Exactly, yes.
Oh, that can't be that. Sometimes I try out things I don't know how to do it, and when I do it, I do my faster because I'm excited.
You're excited? Okay, that's interesting, yes.
Talking makes me relax. It's true.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're like the opposite of everybody
Yeah,
else?
it's like when I put on my headphones,
I like
Whatever helps you concentrate and be focused. That's the whole idea behind this.